What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi Smart Band 8 with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the accessories that come inside the retail box, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here on the front side we got the picture of Xiaomi Smart Band 8, we got the Xiaomi branding, the product name. On the sides we got the specification and features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 as you can see here. Once again on the back we got some technical information, and the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 we got here inside this box is champagne gold in color. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got our Xiaomi Smart Band 8. So here is the USB charging cable for Xiaomi Smart Band 8. As you can see, it comes with the special pogo pins, and here we got a user manual. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Xiaomi Smart Band 8, the Smart Band, the USB charging cable and the user manual. So here is the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 in champagne gold. So first we will have to go through the setup process, and for that I will have to charge the Smart Band 8 because that's the only way to switch it on, and the setup process takes a bit of time. So I'm going to make a separate video where I will show how you can set up and configure all of the features of Smart Band 8, and I will give a detailed walkthrough of all of the settings and features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 in a separate video just to save your time on this video here. And if you would like to watch that video, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. So now the setup process is completed and we are good to go with our Xiaomi Smart Band 8. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So in terms of design and appearance, the Smart Band 8 looks very much like the previous generation of Xiaomi Smart Band 7, but there are some differences as well. This time instead of plastic, we got the metal casing on Xiaomi Smart Band 8. At the bottom you will find the Xiaomi branding, set of sensors and the connecting point for the charging cradle. As you can see, it does not come with any physical button, just like all other previous Xiaomi Smart Bands. So there is no button to go back to the home screen as well as to switch on the device. One new thing about Xiaomi Smart Band 8 design is that it comes with quick release buttons on both sides, and you can easily remove the strap just by pressing these quick release buttons, and the strap will come out and you can easily put them back as well. So it is really easy to change the strap on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8, and because of this, Xiaomi is offering many different kinds of straps for your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. So here I got 6 of them, and I will make a separate video about all of these unique, stylish, beautiful straps we got for our Xiaomi Smart Band 8 here. The default strap is of very nice quality, it's very soft and smooth, and the Smart Band 8 is pretty lightweight as well. Without a strap it weighs just 14 grams, and with the straps it weighs just 27 grams, so you will be able to use it 24/7 without facing any issue. And it also comes with 5 ATM water resistance, so you can bring it to the swimming pool for your swimming sessions as well. Talking about the display, we got a 1.62-inch AMOLED display with 192 x 490 pixels resolution, so the PPI you will get is 326, and because of that the display of Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is quite sharp and beautiful. The maximum brightness can go as high as 600 nits, and it comes with adaptive auto brightness control, so you won't feel any issue while looking at the display of Xiaomi Smart Band 8 any time of the day. The touch screen sensitivity is quite nice, and it comes with 60 Hz refresh rate, so the display is very smooth as you can see here. This is really good, and the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 comes with lots of watch faces. These are the pre-installed watch faces. You can also download and install many watch faces from Mi Fitness application, and some of them are games as well. So this is really nice as you will be able to enjoy all of these games on 60 Hz AMOLED display here of our Xiaomi Smart Band 8. As you can see that we got a bit of bezels around the display, but if you use a watch face with dark background, then these bezels are not visible at all. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 also supports always on display, and the 2.5D touchscreen display of Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is protected by reinforced glass. So it is not Gorilla Glass or something, but I hope it is durable enough to avoid scratches on it. It comes with 190 mAh battery, and Xiaomi claims that it can survive up to 16 days on normal usage and up to 6 days on heavy usage. And it comes with fast battery charging, so the battery can be charged from 0% to 100% in less than 1 hour. Now talking about the software side, we got the regular UI that we get on Xiaomi smartwatches with some slight changes this time. So you can swipe up to go to the menu where you will find all of these applications. You can swipe down to have a look on the notification from your smartphone. You can swipe left to have a look on the widget, and this is a new feature that this time Xiaomi Smart Band 8 supports 2 widgets on one screen. And here you got all of these options and settings. As you can see, we got the music player, weather, we got the quick toggle menu, and if you go to the menu, here you can see that we got the start, workout, activity, we got the running courses on our Xiaomi Smart Band 8, we got the status, heart rate monitor, vitality monitor, SpO2 tracker is there as well, we got the sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, weather, we got some useful applications like alarm, of course we got the settings. If you go to the more, here you will find calendar, that's called events, alerts, breathing exercise, stopwatch, music player, find phone, we got the world clock, we got the silence button for the phone. We also get the camera app that allows you to use your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 as the remote shutter for your smartphone camera. We got the timer, we got the flashlight. So this is the flashlight, and there is the focus mode provided as well. So you can see that in terms of features, we got plenty of options on our Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Once again, if you go to the settings, here we got the running mode that is especially designed for this running clip that allows you to connect Xiaomi Smart Band 8 with your shoes while running to get the precise and accurate data regarding your running session. And then once again, we got plenty of options as you can see here. So as I said earlier, I am going to make a separate video where I will talk about how you can configure and set up your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 and use all of the features and options and settings we got. So if you're interested in knowing about all of these features and options and settings we got in detail, then you can watch my upcoming video about it. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. So at the first glance, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is looking a pretty solid fitness tracker in every aspect, as it is the advanced version of the most popular and the best smart band, that is Xiaomi Smart Band 7 in its price segment. The design and build quality is quite solid and premium looking. It allows you to easily change the straps, and Xiaomi is providing great looking straps this time for Xiaomi Smart Band 8 that you can use to improve your look and customize the design of your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. We got a large 1.62 AMOLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate, 600 nits brightness, plenty of beautiful looking watch faces as well as some compatible games. And when it comes to features and options, we got plenty of them on our device. And if you are a fitness enthusiast, then the good news is that the Smart Band 8 comes with more than 150 exercise tracking. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Xiaomi Smart Band 8 will be uploaded very soon on this channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads.